Want fresh homemade bread without spending hours mixing, kneading, and waiting for the dough to rise? A good bread machine can handle most of the work automatically, making it much easier to bake fresh bread at home. Today, we're looking at 5 bread machines, covering their programs, loaf sizes, convenience features, and what each one brings to the kitchen. So, let's count them down from number 5 to number 1 and see which bread machine makes the most sense for you. Starting our list is the West Bend High-Rise Bread Maker, a practical option for anyone who wants larger homemade loaves and a traditionally shaped loaf. The horizontal bread pan can handle 3 different loaf sizes: 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds, or up to 3 pounds. That gives you plenty of flexibility, especially if you're baking for a larger household. It comes with 12 programmable settings, including basic, wheat, French, sweet, dough, and gluten-free. You can also choose between light, medium, and dark crust settings. 2 kneading blades work the dough during the preparation process, while the automatic baking cycle takes care of the rest. The 13-hour delayed start function is another useful feature. You can add your ingredients, set the timer, and have the bread making cycle scheduled around your day. West Bend also includes a non-stick bread pan, measuring cup, measuring spoon, knead blade removal tool, and an instruction manual with recipes for things like garlic bread, wheat bread, bagel dough, pasta dough, low-carb bread, and gluten-free bread. If you want a bread machine with a larger 3-pound capacity and a traditional horizontal loaf shape, the West Bend High-Rise is a solid choice. Moving up to number 4 is the KBS Pro 710W Bread Maker, a feature-rich machine designed to give home bakers more control over their recipes. It has 17 automatic programs plus a custom setting. These include basic, gluten-free, sourdough, French, whole wheat, multigrain, cake, jam, yogurt, and dough. The custom setting lets you adjust baking time and temperature yourself, while 3 crust settings let you choose between light, medium, and dark. The 710-watt motor powers an artisan-style kneading blade, and the machine uses 360-degree convection heating during the baking process. You can make 3 loaf sizes: 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, or 2.2 pounds. One of its most convenient features is the automatic stainless steel ingredient dispenser. It can add ingredients during the baking process automatically, which is useful for recipes that require nuts or other mix-ins. The KBS also includes a ceramic pan and paddle, a tempered glass touch panel, a 15-hour delay timer, a 1-hour keep warm function, and a 15-minute power failure backup. A large viewing window lets you watch the dough rise and the bread bake, and the package includes a recipe book with 53 recipes. For home bakers who want plenty of programs, customization, and hands-off features, the KBS Pro 710W is a versatile option. At number 3 is the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus, a 2-pound bread maker with specialized programs and a dual heater design. It uses heating elements in both the bottom and lid of the machine to promote even baking and browning. Inside, 2 kneading blades work the dough thoroughly, helping automate the mixing and kneading stages before the baking cycle begins. The machine includes several specialized courses, including multigrain, whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan. The rapid courses can produce a loaf of white or whole wheat bread in about 2 hours and 25 minutes, which can be useful when you don't want to wait through a longer baking cycle. There's also a 13-hour delay timer, allowing you to schedule when the baking cycle finishes. The large LCD display makes the controls easier to navigate, while the removable non-stick bread pan simplifies cleanup. This model is rated at 120 volts and 700 watts and includes a 39-inch power cord. If you're looking for a bread machine with specialized programs, dual heating, and more options for different dietary needs, the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus is a strong contender. Coming in at number 2 is the Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker, an easy-to-use option designed around automatic baking and a large selection of preset programs. You can make 1 pound, 1.5 pound, or 2-pound loaves, and 3 crust settings let you choose between light, medium, and dark. The machine features 19 one-touch programs, including gluten-free, white, wheat, rye, French, sweet, quick bread, pizza dough, cake, and jam. That variety makes it useful for more than just standard bread. You can use it for different doughs and other recipes without needing a separate appliance for every task. The automatic system handles kneading, rising, and baking, so the process is simple. Add the ingredients, select a program, and let the machine do the work. The 15-hour delay timer lets you schedule the baking cycle around your routine, while the 60-minute keep warm function gives you some flexibility once the bread is finished. Its compact, energy-saving design also makes sense for apartments and smaller kitchens where countertop space matters. If you're a beginner who wants a straightforward bread machine with lots of one-touch programs, the Elite Gourmet is an easy one to consider. Taking the #1 spot is the Cuisinart CBK110P1ES, a compact automatic bread maker that combines straightforward controls with useful everyday features. It offers 12 menu programs for different types of bread and other baked goods. You can also use it for things like cakes, pizza, jams, and sauces. The machine supports 3 loaf sizes: 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, and 2 pounds. You can also choose from 3 crust colors: light, medium, or dark. The bread maker automatically mixes, kneads, and bakes, while the LCD display shows the countdown time, current cycle, and selected options. Audible reminders can let you know when attention is needed, and the 60-minute keep warm function helps keep the finished bread warm after the baking cycle. The 13-hour delay start timer is particularly useful if you want to prepare the ingredients in advance and have fresh bread ready when you wake up or return home. Despite offering a full-size vertical baking cavity, the machine has a compact footprint, making it suitable for kitchens where counter space is limited. It also comes with a removable nonstick bread pan and a limited 3-year warranty. For shoppers who want a compact, automatic bread machine with multiple loaf sizes, crust settings, useful programs, and simple controls, the Cuisinart CBK110P1ES earns the #1 spot on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.